Hi and welcome back to Chiquita's Crochet. We are on the half double crochet tutorial. In this tutorial, in the last tutorial we did the double crochet. You can see that that video, and then before that the single crochet, and before that the chains, and before that the slip knot. Okay, we're gonna chain 2 for the height, half double crochets. That's what we do for the height. Chain 2, turn your work, yarn over, go in. It's kind of the similar to double crochet, but we do this differently. Yarn over, going through the loop, the stitch, grab some yarn, pull through. Now usually we grab some yarn, pull through 2 and then 2 again, but this time for the half double crochet we're gonna yarn over, pull through all these loops. Okay, I'm gonna yarn over and pull through all the loops. That is a half double crochet. Okay, yarn over, go into the stitch, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn and pull through all 3 loops, 2 stitches. Yarn over, go through the stitch, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn, pull through all, grab yarn over, go through the stitch, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn and pull through all 3. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, one more. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. That is the row of half double crochet. Okay, we're going to do one more for the height. We do 2 chains, chain 1, chain 2, and turn your work. Yarn over, go through the first stitch, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn and pull through all 3. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn and pull through all 3. It's 2. Excuse me. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn and pull through all. It's number 3. Yarn over, go to the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull all 3 through all 3. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can tell right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Yarn over, go through the stitch, grab some yarn, pull through, grab some yarn and pull through all 3. That is 2 rows of half double crochet, and I hope you understand. If you want to repeat it, just go back, rewind, or play it again until you get it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, or you want to email me, that's fine too. And I'm going to keep going to the next tutorial, and let me know which stitch you would like to see. Bye.